Okay guys, now I wrote the names of the Power Rangers by their colors. See this? Power Rangers Mighty Morphin to Wild Force. See? The, do you see the arrangement? We have red, black and green, blue, yellow, pink and or white, and special. So let's start. See who are they. So we have from Mighty Morphin we have Jason, Zack, Billy, Trini, Kimberly, and Tommy. Then to the season 2 of the Mighty Morphin we have maybe it's season 3, yeah. Rocky, Adam, Billy again, Aisha, Kat, and Tommy again. Then we have the Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers. So we are going to Aurico, Corcus, Sestro, Tideos, Delphine or Delphine, whatever you say, and we know that Ninja is not their sixth member, but in Super Sentai he is the sixth member, so I'll put it Ninja. Then we have to Zio, or there's Zio. Wait. We have Tommy, Adam, Rocky, Tanya, Kat, and Jason. Next, we have to Turbo. Okay, where's the TJ, Carlos, Justin, Ashley, Cassie, and Phantom. Then we have In Space. We have Andros, Carlos, TJ, Ashley, Cassie, and Zane. Then here we are going to Lost Galaxy. We have Leo or Leo, whatever you say, Damon, Kai, Maya, Kendricks and Caron later, and Mike. Then we're going to Lightspeed Rescue. You have Carter, you have Joel or Joel, whatever you say. You have Chad, Kelsey, Dana, and Ryan. Then we are going to Time Force. Here comes Wes, Trip, Lucas, Kathy, Jen, and Eric. Then we're going to Wild Force. Where's my finger? My finger is my finger. Okay. We have Cole, the Red Ranger. Okay, wait. My finger. Wait. Cole. We have Danny. We have Max. We have Taylor. We have Alisa. And we have Merrick. So, we are going now to Power Rangers Ninja Storm. Where's my Ninja Storm? To Dino Thunder. See the arrangement of the colors different. We have red, blue, yellow, special, special, and special. Okay. So we are going to Ninja Storm. Where's my finger? Okay. We have Shane, Tori, Dustin, Hunter, Blake, and Cam. Then we are going to Dino Thunder. We have Connor, Ethan, Kira, Tommy again from the Mighty Morphin, and we have where's my finger? Like Trent. Okay, then we're going to the back. Okay, you see it, and okay. Let's like this. Turn to like this. If you can read it, is good. Okay. Okay. You have good job. We have Power Rangers SPD to Operation Overdrive. So the arrangement is like the first one, like in the Mighty Morphin. We have red, green, and black, blue, yellow, pink, special, but we have two special here and special. So let's go to Speedy. We have Jack, Bridge, Sky, Z, Sid, Sam, and Doggy. Then we go to Mystic Force. We have Nick, Sander, Maddie, Chip, Vida, and Dagaron. Then we have the Operation Overdrive. We have Mac, Will, Dax, Ronnie, Rose, and Tyson. Okay, now we are going to Power Rangers Jungle Fury to RPM. Okay, so the arrangement is like this: red, blue, yellow, special, 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 and special. Yeah, like that. Okay, we are going to Jungle Fury. We have Casey, Theo, Lily, RJ, Dominic, the Spirit Rangers, Punt, Soup, and Finn. Then we're going to RPM. We have Scott, Flynn, Summer, Siggy, Dillon, Jem, and Gemma. Then we're going to Power Rangers Samurai to Super Mega Force. Then the arrangement is like the first one, the Mighty Morphin: red, green or black, blue, yellow, pink, and this special. And I put it instead of special, I accidentally put it gold or silver, but yeah, okay. Now we have the Samurai. We have Jaden, Mike, Kevin, Emily, Mia, and Antonio. Then to Mega Force, we have Troy, Jake, Noah, Gia, Emma, and Robo Knight. Then Super Mega Force, that's supposed to be Pirates, Power Rangers Pirates. Yeah, we have Troy, Jake, Noah, Gia, Emma, and Orion. Okay, then wait. Okay, here we go. Okay. Since See this? Since that the color of dino charts and the ninja is still not actually the same, so I put it Dino Charge and Dino Fury and Cosmic Fury. Yeah, I make like this. So let's go with the arrangement of the color. You have red, black, blue, green, pink, gold, gray or champagne, purple, and orange. So in Dino Charge we have Tyler, Chase, Koda, Riley, Shelby, Ivan, Prince Philip III, and Kendall. Then in Dino Fury we have Zato, Javi, Ollie, Izzy, Amelia, and Ion. Then in Cosmic Fury we have Amelia, Javi, Ollie, Izzy. We don't have in the pink. So we are going to Ion and Zato and Fern. So now we have the other left from Dino Charge. Power Rangers Dino Supercharged. The other Rangers left. Okay. The arrangement of colors are cyan, silver, and navy blue. So we have James, Zenowing, and Hekel. Okay. Okay, next. I'm like a teacher teaching you, my viewers. Yeah. So then, okay, you can see it. This is the last one. Our Rangers Ninja Steel 2 Beast Morphers. Okay, see the arrangement of the colors are red, white, blue, yellow, pink, gold, and silver. So in Ninja Steel we have Brody, Haley, Preston, Calvin, Sarah, and Levi. Then the Beast Morphers, we have Devon, Ravi, Zoe, Nate, and Steel. So see this? They are the Power Rangers. See? Arrangement. Okay. See it now? They are not actually the proper way. Yeah. See it? Yeah. Like this. We're going to like this. Let's show it back again. What does it look like? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then going to like this again. Let's make a okay. So then see, okay, see it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. See. All right. So thank you very much. Just it for all. See you on my next video.